how to define a constant in Java. It's a little bit trickier than other languages. If we take a look at specification, we're trying to do this, constant, VAT equals 20. We're performing it in Java. So I'm going to get rid of these in there so there's no confusion. Now, this is the main part of our program. This is our program running, and if I type the code in here, I'm going to get an error. So if I do static final int, so static means it's not going to change, that's a constant. Final means it's the last time it's ever going to be declared, and I've got an integer. Now the reason why I've got an integer is because VAT is going to be 20, a whole number. And then I write the keyword VAT or the identifier VAT, and then I set it to the value that I want. However, that is giving me an error, and the reason why it's giving me an error is because I have defined it in the wrong place. This is where my main program will be written. However, if I'm going to declare a variable, declare a constant, I need it to be in the whole class. Now, I'm not going to take you through classes in any language because that is well beyond what we need to learn at this level. So let me delete that and to show you up here, to indent it. So if I type static final int VAT equals 20, then the program says, oh, you're okay to do that. So if I run my program and there is no code, so nothing's going to happen, run it, and there we go, we got a build time, but nothing happened. Now if I try to change VAT to be 15 or 25 in my main program, so if I type VAT equals 15 and put a colon at the end, it's telling me, it's warning me that I've got an error, and the error says cannot assign a value to final variable VAT. In other words, it is constant. You cannot change it in your program. There is nothing I could do to make it change the program, and that will stop my program running because there is an error. I can't get rid of it because I'm trying to change a constant, and there you go, it says you've got errors, we can't run the program. So I cannot specify VAT in a program and change it if I have declared it as a constant, and that is the line for constant in Java. There is one further thing that I'll quickly mention, is that most cases they put the word public in front of it. Again, that is something that we're not going to do or look at in this course. I'm going to do no videos on what public means or private. There's a couple of words, what goes in front. But that's it. That's a constant in Java. If I now run that again, because I notice I've got a little error here, so I want to get rid of that error. There we go, it's gone, and I'm happy. So constant in Java.